What questions are asked in a Qatar Airways interview? Why do you want to work for Qatar Airways? I've always had a passion for travel and for helping others, and I feel like this job is the perfect marriage of the two. Working for this company will allow me to see the world, which I've wanted to do since I was young. If hired, I'm looking forward to continuing the tradition of excellent customer service that this business provides. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? In 5 years' time, I see myself as a senior cabin crew and would be willing to transfer and share my knowledge to new crew joiners. I will continue to learn and improve as life is a continuous learning journey. Are you willing to relocate? I am open to the idea of relocating. I understand this job comes with frequent travel to many places, and traveling is my passion, which is why I applied. If hired, I would have no problem moving to another city if the airline needed me to relocate.